Today, we're diving into the Malastar Sprouting Jar Kit, an all-in-one solution for cultivating your own fresh sprouts right in your kitchen. This kit comes packed with everything you need. 2 wide-mouth mason jars, complete with blackout sleeves for light control, ABS and 316 stainless steel lids ensuring durability and safety, a convenient tray for drainage, and a sturdy stand to optimize airflow. Whether you're a seasoned sprouter or a complete beginner, this kit is designed for ease of use. Just add your favorite sprouting seeds, water them daily, and watch as your sprouts flourish. One standout feature is the use of top-of-the-line 316 stainless steel mesh in the lids. Unlike other brands that may rust over time, Malastar guarantees food-grade safety with these rust-resistant lids. The included blackout sleeves cater to different sprouting needs. Leafy greens thrive in indirect sunlight, while beans and grains prefer darker conditions, ensuring you get optimal growth for various sprout types. Sprouting with this kit is not only practical, but also educational and enjoyable for the whole family. It's a fantastic way to introduce children to the wonders of growing their own food, while providing them with nutrient-packed sprouts rich in chlorophyll and essential nutrients. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the thoughtful design, which prioritizes easy drainage and minimal mess. Whether you're looking to boost your salads with fresh alfalfa or add crunch to sandwiches with broccoli sprouts, the Malastar Sprouting Jar Kit delivers. It's a reliable, well-crafted tool for anyone interested in bringing the benefits of homegrown sprouts straight to their table.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.